For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Sorkar Jylla kala ajeng Mynjur iaka mandatory medical service policy na kebentai kisamla kiblik pulia doktor da kejeng bai tengka Sorkar la ne kabha jong ke Jylla. Menteri Rangba ulong bakani ka matre kam kan pelatang ki doktor ki betrei haki non profit organization ne ki jaka sumar ki bapeniat di seng treman sobha bat ki hospital jong ke Sorkar preng. Ukonot kongkal sangma ulapan pau kejeng kremen bagi senam banwan bon ki doktor kinwan mat kejeng syakri jong ki ha ke Jylla.
If you're going for a private, hospital and working in a different commercial hospital or private hospital, that we are not agreeing to. We are only saying that there are a lot of not-for-profit hospitals that are running, and they are also giving service to the people at the end of the day. Because these are low cost, low intervention in terms of the costing that's involved. I guess minimum is the best way to say it, which they almost function like a government hospital in one way. So therefore, we strongly felt that we need to encourage and motivate these hospitals who are doing a lot of work, providing the service to the people. And so this is one step towards showing our support to them. Very soon, we are also going to be giving financial support in terms of building new blocks and giving some kind of financial support to build up the infrastructure in these not-for-profit hospitals. Not all in one go, but we'll start the process. So we felt that these hospitals, they add a lot of value to the health sector, and therefore the government can find ways to support them, and we felt that this is one way in which we will exempt the doctors who are working in such hospitals from the commitments that are there while they were signing the bond.